You guys, I'm pretty excited to show you what I did to my daughter's hair that is making it flourish. You guys, are you ready? So yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own natural coconut oil. Easy peasy. I bet you never thought it was that simple. So just follow the simple steps I am doing and boom, you have your coconut oil. So first thing first, you grab your coconut. I worked with just two, and that's because I just want to produce a very little quantity of oil because I have more than enough. I'm just doing this for the purpose of this video. So looking at how much coconut I used and the oil that will be generated at the end of the video, I'm sure you could tell how much coconut you would be needing for yours, depending on your quantity. All right, so after that, after getting your coconut to the desired quantity, you bring out the coconut itself, the meat, and then you rinse off and straight to your blender. In your blender, you're going to add water, and that water must be same level with your coconut or a little bit above it. And that's all for the first stage. That's all. Okay, you can see I'm showing you exactly how I ran my water through. Yeah, if you're going to be making coconut milk, however, and you know that you want to drink it, I would suggest you use your drinking water to make this. I would just use your drinking water. This is going to still go through the fire process, and that's the reason why I use my tap water if you are making coconut milk, because we are going to generate the oil from the milk. So if you are making coconut milk, please use your water, your drinking water. Yes, that's it. Okay, I blended it, and the next thing is just to sieve. Can you see the milk? Can you see the richness of the milk? I purposely had to use my tap water so that I don't get, tempted to drink it up. I love coconut milk. I so love it. And since I did not use my drinking water, I'm thinking, can I go ahead? No, I cannot. So yeah, it's solely for the purpose of the oil that I need out of it. So yes, I did this twice. I saved once and I saved again. So this coconut shaft that I'm dropping down here, I returned it again back to the blender, added water that filled it up at least to a little bit above it or just the same level, and blended and extracted the milk again. Yeah, and that's all. You just watch me. Exactly, I'm putting it straight back into the blender, and I've blended. Look at the quantity. Pardon the shadow and all. Trust me, I did this very early in the morning, and my ring light went off. My light went off, and so I'm just using the light in the kitchen, and it's casting some shadow because of the position of the lighting. So after doing this, I had to pass it through the sieve again just to be sure there are no traces of the chaff in the milk. And you can see, I see, extracted a little more. And that's it, guys. That is it. Okay, so after that, I just cover and set into the fridge till the next day. This is the next day, and guess, poop, did you see this? It has caked. That's my oil. That's my oil. It has caked. It has caked. Just check it. Just take a look at how I'm going to bring it out. Okay, I think I'm being goofy and not serious, but it just works like magic. Once you just put your milk in the fridge, it cakes, and that's the oil. It separates from the water. You guys, in my coming video, yeah, I'll be teaching you. I'll be spilling the secret. Like, I'll be spilling the secret on a special oil I got using this same coconut oil that did all the magic on my daughter's hair. And that's even the more reason why you need to know how to make your own coconut oil, like natural. Instead of going to go and shop for it and you don't know what's added in it, just make yours. And from this coconut oil, you can actually be able to produce that magic oil that would do the wonders for your child's hair. Trust me, coconut oil works like magic as well. But you know, there's a little tweak I did to it, a little tweak that you're going to see in my coming video. And so you want to turn on the notification bell so that you would be one of the first to see when I drop that video. And if you're not subscribed, hello, you're gonna miss it, and I'm not gonna be sorry for that. Okay, yeah. Just you can watch to the end, very end. I might probably have to do the explanation on how to achieve that oil, yeah, with the coconut oil, yeah, if you're going to be patient enough. But I'm still going to share it in my next video, details on how I made that oil. You all, I want to know, what's the state of your baby's hair at the moment? What's the state of your baby's hair at the moment? Drop in the comment section. I'll reply all and prefer solution within my reach. So just, you know, drop in the comment section. Let me see. Let's get interactive. What have you used on your baby's hair? What has worked? What have you tried? What's the just tell me. Feel free. Let's chat. So yeah, quickly I'll just go over to, you know, to share with you benefits of coconut oil and why you cannot second guess it. Yeah, I'm sure you're seeing what I'm doing in this video. I had to use a smaller sieve to extract my remaining oil. Nothing is leaving me. And you know that water that is there has coconut flavor. There's no way I'm trashing it. I carried it straight to my fridge and I'll be using it to cook my jollof rice. Yay! Coconut rice. Yeah, I'm going to be using the water. Very important, very important. Okay, you see what I did? I just transferred to the pot and I'll start heating. What if I tell you this is the final process? What if I tell you? So it took me about an hour to heat. You can see all this transition. This is the third time I'm showing you the process of the heating. Like, it keeps heating and you keep seeing the changes. You're seeing the water bubbling. Okay, this is the stage it is now. Can you see? Can you feel the oil? Can you notice it? Can you notice the oil? Are you feeling the oil? Like, at this point I can see that there's a distinction right now. Whoo, and this is even much more better. Much better. I still continued heating and whoo, can you see it's drying up? That's the oil. At this stage you can actually extract your oil and that's it though. Trust me, it's just fine like this. But how I thought that I needed to squeeze out the oil out of this, I needed to squeeze it out completely. I needed to dry it up and I kept on heating it. So that's why you have two distinctions of oil. You would see a kind of golden color coconut oil and you see a clear color coconut oil. So it depends on how much you heat it. Yeah, so me, I just felt like I needed to heat it dry. And yep, let's quickly run down through the benefits of coconut oil before we conclude on this. So coconut oil is rich in vitamin E. It promotes hair growth by improving blood circulation to the scalp, and you know, it also adds shine to your baby's hair and of course prevents hair loss. The different other benefits of this coconut oil, you may need to go do more research on it, but trust me, if your baby is experiencing hair breakage, dry hair, dry scalp, look no further. Oh, see the final look. Just see the final. In fact, watching this video myself now and trying to, you know, edit it, I'm like, did I actually dry this thing up completely? Why am I so stingy? I don't want anything to leave. So you grab an empty bottle, grab your funnel, grab your sieve, and voila, your oil is so ready. It's so ready. Tell me, is this not easy? No. Isn't it easy? So I wanted to just, you know, just try it out. It actually takes nothing. Running through the process again, what did I do? I just broke coconuts. If you know how to make coconut milk, the only thing I'll just tell you is put your coconut milk in the fridge. Allow it to sit till the next day. and it will cake. The oil will separate from the water, and then you heat it up, and that's all. If you don't know how to make coconut milk, you know that you just need to break your coconut, open it up, remove the meat, break into pieces, blend it, sieve, you extract your milk. That's all. It's so simple. So I don't want to hear that, oh, I cannot make coconut oil, and that's the reason why you cannot make that secret oil that I'm about to break out to you in my next video. So you need to learn how to make coconut oil. Probably make the coconut oil and even keep and be ready. And be so ready for the next video. All right, guys, this is it here. This is the final look. And let me tell you something. Your kitchen will smell so nice. My kitchen was smelling of coconut flakes, and it was just so nice. So please try this out, and let me know the outcome. Let me see the results. You can follow me on my social media on Instagram and tell me how it went. All right, thank you so very, very much for staying through and watching to this point. Please click the next video to your left and